Hello, this is a quick video on our reporting for our content calendar and how to use it as an editor. So at the beginning of each week, we want to create a report and rather update a report that we already have in process of how many new articles we've created and how articles are progressing along the track. So we have our Asana task for ensure the metrics report is complete, and you'll only need this part. So we'll need the metrics from Airtable, and you can click to follow that link, and it will bring you to this report right here, which if it's all updated, it'll just tell you exactly how many new first drafts, new second drafts, articles that are ready for client approval, and articles that are ready to publish that we have. Now what you want to make sure you do so that this can have all updated information is go to the actual content calendar in our Airtable and find and update the status for each article. So I have recently just updated this status. I received this revisions on Saturday from Lisa. So these are now, the revisions are now submitted and ready to go. I just recently received some revisions from Omna on this article. So I'm also going to change that to revisions submitted. And with the rest of the articles, they are, I did receive client approval for elder caregiver. Actually, I'm going to go check that real quick. Let me pause it so you don't have to watch that laborious process. I actually decided to show you a little bit of the process. So if you go over, again, we can check on the status of any article by opening the article link. So I've opened that link, and here it is here. And we'll let it load. So this is the article about elder caregiving. So it is still pending approval. So this is one that is still pending approval. Let me make sure that I've got that status correctly. So this is ready for the client approval. And I'll go ahead and I know there was one of these that was ready for client approval that was approved, so I'll go ahead and find that. So I found the article, and it's the Karen Holmes article. So I'm going to update from ready for client approval to ready for upload. And now with all of those updated, I'm going to check back on my reports, and I'll refresh just to be sure. And you can see all of the reports that I have. 3 new first drafts, 0 new second drafts, and 3 ready for client approval, and 11 ready to publish. And that's how it's done.